Hi, welcome to DIY Pro Tips. Today we've got a question from Jeff. Jeff writes, I want to use a butcher block that's 8 feet long by 25 inches wide as part of my desk/work area and use legs and not cabinets underneath for support. How far in inches can the span be between the legs? I was thinking the legs near the ends and one in the middle, so it'd be approximately 48 inches between the supports. Is that okay? I'll tell you what, Jeff, that makes a lot of sense right there. So you've got an 8-foot block right here. What a lot of people do is just literally bring the legs in like 4 inches on each side, and you have to do nothing else. But I tell you what, if you want to just like sleep better at night or feel better about adding additional support, you can never go wrong there. So feel free to drop one right in the middle as well. Hope that helps.